Hi everybody and welcome to Tina's Corner Library. Today we're going to make pizza in a mug. It's very easy to make. All you need is a few ingredients. You need flour, milk, baking soda, baking powder, and salt for the bread on the bottom, marinara sauce, toppings, and cheese for the top of the pizza. Today my special guest is Coconut, Taro the Library Monkey's little brother. He is going to be holding on to our music playlist. Thank you, Coconut. To begin, we're going to put 4 tablespoons of flour into your mug. Now, I'm not a professional baker, but I do like having all my ingredients out at one time. And then I put them away individually as I use them. But that's up to you. Try my flour. Next, you're going to have 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/8 baking powder. And if you get a little messy, that's okay. That's what baking's for. It's being messy. Then you need 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Salt. And just a pinch of baking soda. So I got a little bit on my hand. And a pinch. Okay, now we're going to mix this up. Okay, now we need 3 tablespoons of milk. And this is coconut milk that I'm using in honor of Coconut, our little library monkey friend. But you can use whatever type of milk you want. You can use whatever type of flour you want, except coconut flour. I tried that. It's not very tasty. So 3 tablespoons of milk. And I did forget something. I forgot my oil, so I'll be right back. It happens. Alright, now you want 1 tablespoon of oil. And you can use whatever type of oil you have on hand. I have olive oil, but you can use canola oil, vegetable oil, melted butter. It's totally up to you. Alright, got that in my cup. And we're going to stir that all together. And this is going to make the pizza dough the bottom of your pizza. Make sure you get all the little crevices in the bottom of the cup so you don't have a mound of flour at the end. It won't be very tasty. Alright, I'll show you that dough. Now comes the fun part. You're going to put a dollop of marinara sauce in there. A little bit extra if you like sauce. Not too much. A little dollop of sauce. Let's just show you that. Alright. You can use cheese if you want. You don't have to have cheese on your pizza. Some people don't like cheese on their pizza. You can use regular cheese, mozzarella cheese, vegan cheese, or no cheese. It's totally up to you. And this is not measured. It's just how much cheese you want. I wouldn't make it too cheesy. But again, it's your pizza, so do whatever you want. Alright. The last bit are your toppings. I have olives. I love olives, so I'm going to use that as my toppings. You can use whatever type of topping you want. If you use meat, it does have to be cooked first because this is going into the microwave. It's not going to cook the meat all the way through. So I would suggest getting leftovers from your refrigerator. Maybe you have some leftover hamburgers, crumble it up in there. If you get pepperoni, you can use pepperoni. And whatever vegetables or toppings you want. You can put pineapple in there. It's your pizza. Go crazy. So I'll put some olives in there. Okay. Can you see my olives? It looks delicious. Now you're going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute and 10 seconds to 1 minute and 20 seconds. Please remember when you take it out, it's going to be hot, so be very careful. Before you start chowing on it, let it cool. This is when coconut comes in handy, and he's going to play a song for us. Alright, take a look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? It's a little hot, so I'm going to let it cool. But it is yummy. And that concludes Tina's Corner Library session. I hope you had fun. Remember, wash your hands before and after you make a meal. See you.